Hello, my name's Dane Olson. I'm very excited to teach this class, which I believe may be the first course of its kind. I developed this course over the 3 decades of my career in K-12 education. This is the course I would have loved to have both as a student and when I became a media arts teacher in the classroom. It covers the breadth of multimedia, including photo, imaging, graphics, animation, video, sound, code, and AI. I ran a multimedia academy in inner city Los Angeles for the last 7 years of my career. Students had to know how to produce the variety of media because we had video production, animation, and graphic design as advanced classes. You're going to learn how to teach this class by experiencing it yourself in an accelerated, hands-on manner. You'll learn the concepts, vocabulary, principles, and skills, and the use of national media arts standards. You'll learn how to teach basic drawing and concept sketching, and fundamental imaging techniques and design principles. You'll learn how to support students to create dynamic compositions across media forms. This leads into graphic design that can attract attention and influence behavior, storyboards that tell a dramatic narrative, and animation that demonstrates the principles of a cartoon physics. Students will develop their own original stories and create compelling self-portraits. Through all of this, students will learn the basics of creative expression and the skill of iterative design so that they can continuously improve their work. They'll develop analytical skills, enabling them to explain how images work and how to improve them, as well as practice the principles of media literacy in critically analyzing any media. We will delve into sound and music production and how to combine these elements in projects like a music video or more experimental poetry video. Finally, we'll cover creative code and interactive design. The use of AI is integrated throughout the class so that we understand it, know when it's useful, and recognize its strengths and weaknesses as a medium and a collaborator. I look forward to working with you in this very productive and engaging course.